Systematic Aviation Services, through its very own approved training organization, Systematic Aviation Training, approved by the Civil Aviation Authority of Malaysia, features various types of training programs and testings. This includes Aircraft Maintenance Licensing Program, Type Rating Courses, Regulatory Courses, Technical Examinations, Assessments and Testing, Internships, On-Job Training, Workshop and Hangar Simulations, and many more customized programs and courses. With SAS's recent expansion regionally into Indonesia and various other countries within the Southeast Asian region, SAT aims to provide its expertise specifically in training and assessments with a tailor-made approach to further enhance the skills, knowledge, and competencies of aviation personnel from across the region. In addition to this, SAT is also a CAAM-endorsed ICAO English Language Proficiency Test service provider for aviation personnel. Our test is designed to ensure that aviation personnel of various categories of the global spectrum can be accurately tested on their language proficiency, making SAT the ultimate test service provider of your choice. At SAT, we collaborate with our clients closely to provide only the best training solutions that are developed and delivered by our very own subject matter experts. SAT is a one-stop solution for your training and testing needs. Your needs are SAT solutions. SAS-it.